What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to fix the Instagram story waiting for connection problem you are getting when trying to post an Instagram story. First, verify your internet connection. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. If you're watching this video on the same device you're trying to upload your story from, your connection is likely fine. However, if you suspect an issue, try reconnecting to your Wi-Fi or switch to mobile data. Next, if you're trying to post a video or a large number of photos, a poor connection can slow down the upload process. Be patient and avoid exiting the Instagram app while your content is uploading. This interruption can cause issues with your upload. Another crucial step is to update your Instagram app. Open up your App Store, search for Instagram, and see if there's an update available. Updating the app can resolve many bugs and glitches, including issues with posting stories. If updating the app doesn't solve the problem, check the status of Instagram servers. Visit websites like Downdetector to see if Instagram or Meta is experiencing outages. If there's a widespread issue, you need to wait for Instagram to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the Instagram story waiting for connection issue and successfully post your stories. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.